Hey everyone, welcome to jhseam Studio. I am jhseam, a full-time web developer, agency owner, and mentor for freelancers. If you are passionate to creating high-converting websites, sales funnel, or earning from your skills, this channel will be perfect for you. Just a few years ago, I started with a low configuration laptop. No fancy setup, just a lot of passion. I worked with local clients, then expanded with internationally. Today I run Coders Villa and support agencies with white label services, building 500 plus websites, landing pages, and sales funnels for global clients. I will be sharing tutorials with WordPress, Shopify, sales funnels, and more. I will show how to build smart websites, fixing real world problems, and even guide you through finding clients without sounding salesy. This channel is for developers, freelancers, agency owners, business owners, or anyone want to grow with digital skills. Even if you are just getting started, you are welcome to here. You will get 1 to 2 videos each week, focused, honest, and practical. No fluff, no clickbait. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment with what you have liked to learn fast.